Now see the next part of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. So this is the part 2 of aldehyde and ketone. So we are solving the numerical. So fourth question we were solving, asked in 2020. So which of the following acid? So we have to find the acid which react with anhydride, right, on heating. And second is it also react with acid amide on a strong heating with ammonia. Strong heating with ammonia. So see the explanation for it. So we have to find the acid, right? So this will be the phthalic acid, right? Benzene with the two functional group of carboxylic acid, right? When react with ammonia. And as we know, ammonia having one lone pair, right? So this will be the plus, this will be minus. So this H plus attracted towards this. So it forms ammonium phthalate. So it will be like this. So structure will be COONH4 plus. So this lone pair has gone, that's why it is plus, and this will be carrying minus charge. In the similar manner, for the same case, this will be plus, this will be minus. So two ammonia molecules or moles we have to take. So this will be the same complex CO minus NH4 plus. The compound of name this will be ammonium phthalate. And name of this acidic will be phthalic acid. Phthalic acid. Right. So this reaction is reversible. So it can move forward and backward also. Forward and backward also. So when both arrow is there, then it is called reversible reaction. Understood? Now see. Now when we are hitting on ammonium phthalide, so removal of water will be happening. So product will be phthalamide. So it will be like water will be removed from this group and this group. So phthalamide formation is there. So it will be phthalamide. So it will be CONH2 in the same. Another group is also CONH2. So this is called phthalamide. Phthalamide. When we do a strong heating, so removal of ammonia will be happening. NH3 will be removed. Then it will be formed phthalamide after strong heating. C double bond O NH, and this will be C double bond O NH. Right. So here we have removed NH3. So NH3 will be coming out as a byproduct. Byproduct. So name of this compound will be now phthalimide. Understood? So how it is happening? Suppose this is NH2 minus and this will be plus, right? And here one plus will be coming and this will be minus. So this NH2 forming with H and forming ammonia and coming out, and this is uh, attached with this one. So this is phthalimide. So you have to form phthalimide, right? Now see the theory explanation of this compound phthalic acid, right? We are doing phthalic acid reaction. So phthalic acid undergo dehydration on heating to form acid anhydride, right? So we are doing heating after some time here. So here we are doing heating, right? First we are doing reaction with the ammonia, right? So formation of ammonium phthalate is forming and this is heated, right? So after heating what happened? Removal of water is happening. Removal of H2 is happening. So next part is, so it form ammonium phthalate, right? So which will further form thalamides. Thalamides, how it is forming? After removal of water, right? So water is removed, then it forms thalamide. And after strong heating, this part is a strong heating. Then it is forming thalamide. So this is your final product after removal of ammonia. So asked in 2020 in second phase, right? Now see the next compound or next example. Now see the fifth one asked in also 2020. Identify A in the following reaction. So A compound is given as a reactant. It react with X2 and PD in presence of barium sulfate. It is forming benzyl aldehyde. So benzyl aldehyde will be looking like this, right? So you have to tell me what is A, right? So see, this when this compound or this reagent is used as a catalyst, so it will do the reduction. Hydrogen is gens of palladium, Pd for palladium. Pd is nothing but palladium. P double L होता है ना, palladium. So this is metal act as a reducing agent, act as reducing agent, agent, right? So this will be the benzoyl chloride. C double bond O Cl. This is called benzoyl chloride, right? So when benzoyl chloride do the reduction, it forms benzyl aldehyde. Benzyl aldehyde, right? So this is called Rosenmund reduction. So overall reaction is called Rosenmund reduction. So Rosenmund is a scientist. He had done the reduction reaction on benzoyl chloride to form the benzyl aldehyde. So right, remember the name also important, and this reagent also, right? And here acyl chloride. So its general formula will be like R C double bond OCl. So this is called acyl chloride. And this formation is aldehyde. So its general formula is RCHO. This is general formula of aldehyde. So write all the explanation. Next, the sixth one. Now look at the next sixth one. Predict the correct intermediate and product in the following reaction. So it is H3C, C triple bond CH in presence of water H2O and sulfuric acid H2SO4 and mercurous sulfate is also there. This is also acid. This is your sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. So there is formation of intermediate, and then product formation is there. ठीक है? Asked in 2017. Asked in 2017. So how will you do now? See, for when react with water, so water contain H plus and OH minus. So Markov-Nico rules will be happening here. So what is Markov-Nico rules? Markov-Nikovs. rule. So Markovnik's rule say that this is your reagent negative part. So this is your negative part goes to the least number of hydrogen atom, goes to less number of hydrogen atom, hydrogen atom. So here 3 hydrogen, 0 hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen. So negative will be coming here. Why it is so? This pi bond electron will be coming here and this will be plus. Why it is forming plus? Because it is 2-degree carbocation, right? How you will identify 2-degree carbocation? When carbon is attached with two carbons. So one is on the left and one is on the right. So it will be 2-degree carbocation, right? And this will be 1 degree. This is also 1 degree. So as we know, 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. This is carbon carbocation stability order. Stability order. So 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. Understood? So this plus will attract the OH minus and this carbon minus will attract H plus. So formation of compound will be like this: CH3, COH double bond, CH. And here one H will be coming out. Understood? So this will be the intermediate. So this will be the intermediate. Now it will do now tautomerization. Tautomerization. So what is tautomerization? It is nothing but negative atom will hold the pi bond electron. So oxygen is 6 electrons in last and carbon is having 4 electron in the last orbit. So here carbon containing double bond, but it is not good as compared to chemistry. So pi bond will be shifted here and hydrogen will be shifted here. So what will be the formation then? It will be CH3, C double bond O, CH, CH3. So one hydrogen is shifted here, right? So this is the formation of ketone, right? This part is called enol. Write it down. So that is called tautomerization. So tautomerization is nothing, shifting of pi bond, right? Shifting of pi bond to the more electronegative atom. Shifting of pi bond, pi bond to more electronegative atom, more electronegative atom. Write it down. Now look at the seventh one. Seventh question asked in 2017. 2017. So out of the following, which one is the product formed when cyclohexanone? So I will write the name first. Cyclohexanone. When it is ONE, then it belongs to ketone. And as we know, ketone general formula is RC double bond O R. Cyclo means it will be closed compound. Closed compound. And hex means 6 carbon. So I will write the first cyclo compound undergo aldol condensation. So it is going aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. ठीक है, followed by heating. So see. So I will now write the structure for cyclohexanone. So 6 carbons are there. So 6 carbon I have drawn and double bond is there. So you can write anywhere. So this is double bond O. So this is the structure of cyclohexanone. ONE. This is E. Right. So when it react with base. So for aldol condensation, one compound is given, that is cyclohexanone. So this part is called reactant, right? So for doing the reaction, we need one reactant. So this will do self-aldol condensation. I have to take 1 mole of this same compound, right? So this is also cyclohexanone. Understood? So previous example I have solved for condensation. So this oxygen atom will contain 6 electrons. So it forms minus and this carbon will be plus. Why? This electron is shifted towards oxygen. Now, right, this part functional group is done. Now, here another neighboring functional group of carbon is 1, 2. So, it is forming 4 bonds, right? So, it will be CH2, right? This will be also with the bonding with hydrogen, right? So, I will choose this one. So, this hydrogen will be plus and this carbon will be minus. And as I have told earlier that minus is attracted towards positive. So this plus will be attached here and this H plus will go with this OH minus. So how it will look now? So this carbon is plus and it is attached with this minus, right? So this carbon is minus, right? So neighboring will be C double bond O and here OH is there. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can, after heating, what happens? Here heating is done, right? So removal of water is done. So you can see here OH is there and right, carbon contain how many? Bond, 4 bonds. So this is having 3 bond, 1, 2, 3. So one hydrogen is remaining here, right? And this is forming 4 bonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So its octet is complete. So what will happen again now? This water will be removed and formation of double bond will be here. So I will write one more step. So this will be your plus carbon and this will be minus double bond O. So this minus and this plus form double bond and removal of water is there, right? So write the final product. This is called self-aldol condensation because both reactant is same. This reactant and this reactant is same. That's why it is called self-aldol condensation, right? And in the previous question, I have solved cross-aldol condensation. In that, two different reactant is there, right? So mind the difference between these two. So when two reactant is same, then it is called self, and when they are different, then it is called cross-aldol condensation. Asked in 2017.